Hi guys, if you're watching this video, knows that I made it to the top 30 for the NYX Face Awards Malaysia 2019. And today, I am going to do the unboxing video for the parcel that was sent over me by L'Oreal Malaysia. And they were the sponsorship for the NYX Face Awards Malaysia. And in order to unbox this, I will need a scissors. Okay, so we are going to unbox. This is a parcel that I received yesterday and it is still perfectly wrapped inside here because I don't want to open it yet. I want to share the excitement with you guys. Okay, so I am going to unwrap them first, and I hope that they are all in a good condition because it was posted to me over using Jedex. And this is the box. Oh my god, it's quite heavy. And the box is in pink color like this. Okay, and are we ready to see what is the item that was sent over me by the NYX Malaysia? Okay, and ta-da! Oh my god, it's quite heavy here, and I can see that there are a lot of items here. And I am going to show you guys one by one what is the item that was in the box. First of all, we are going to this eyeshadow palette from NYX, and it was called Machinist. Okay, and this is mostly like earth color, I guess, but let's see how does it look inside. Okay, and wow, so on the box it was printed Machinist, and when you open the box on the palette it is printed Ignite. Okay, and this is the eyeshadow palette, and let's open them. Okay, and look at that beautiful color. Can you see that? Okay, and I am going to swatch for you guys afterwards. Okay, and I'm going to try a few colors here. First of all, okay, they have a matte color, they have shimmer, and I am going for this color. What does it go? Okay, I'm going for this color. Oh my god, they feel so good. Okay, and this one here, okay, this is matte, and this one, and this is the colors. Okay, and I'm going to swatch them at the back of my hands. You can see that. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Like, they are pigmented, and I can't wait to use this on my next task. And then next one, I am going to show you guys the next item. So this is the Glitter Goals liquid lipstick, and they gave me two shades. Okay, the first one is Shimmy, and the second one is X Infinity. Okay, so I'm going to swatch them as well to show you guys the color and as well as the texture of this Glitter Goals. Okay, and it's like, and this is a liquid lipstick. I'm going to need a knife. Okay. Okay, so I received two colors and they had glitters in it, and this is a liquid lipstick. Okay, so I guess this is so good when you wear them during your night makeup because it will complement the lights. Okay, so we are going to swatch the first color, which is shimmy. The texture is cream type, and they don't have like really heavy glitter, and I think it's not gonna make your lips dry, so it's good for maybe daily used glitter balls. Okay, and the next color is X Infinity, this one. Okay, and I'm gonna swatch them right besides the shimmy. This is X Infinity. Oh my god, when you see closely, when you see them closely, they have that kind of sheens glitter, and it's not like a hard glitter. They are really soft, and I love them. Okay, and then next item is this one. Okay, this is the NYX Lingerie gloss, lip gloss in a code of Shy. Okay, and I think it's a nude color, and I love nude color because it complements every look that I create. This smells good though. Okay, and this is the gloss. Okay, and I am going to swatch them. Okay, they are clear, and look at them. I think I have to try this. Can I try them? Like, let me. Oh wow. I look like a bitch. Okay, they are pretty. Okay, and moving on to the next item that I got on the box. Okay, so this is the NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Cheek Tint. Oh, it's kind of blusher, but I guess this is a multi-purpose tint that you can use for your lip as well, and for eyeshadow base, I guess. So let's feel the formula, the texture of this blush, the cheeks. Okay. Hi. And actually, I'm quite nervous because this is my very first time makeup challenge competition that I ever enter, and I don't have any expectation, but I'm going to give my best. Okay, and I'm very determined to win these competitions. Okay. Okay, the shades is Detox Me. Wow, Detox Sali. Okay, so this is Detox Me. I don't know, maybe it could detox your face. Evil. And I am going to swatch them here. Okay, look at the color. And I think they will really looking well when you wear them alone without any powder blush, because they are intense. Yeah. And then next one we have this. Okay, so this is the matte finish makeup spray, setting spray, and this is really for me because I have that oily skin. After a few hours makeup application, my T-zone will start to shine, and this is the weapon to kill the shines. Okay, so I'm going to give it a try. Okay, thank you. And next one, we have the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. Soft lens, fine lines and pores. Okay, this is really good for shooting indoor, outdoor, because it has that soft lens, fine lines and pores, edges less. Aduh! They feel good, they feel smooth, and I can feel that it will help us to cover the pores and fine lines, okay, because it has that smoothing effect, and we're gonna use them on the next video. Okay, loving this. And then the next one here, what is it? Okay, look at the packaging. Okay, and then this is called as Sprinkle Tint special box. Okay, let's open them. What is it? What is it? Okay, okay, we have two Sprinkle Tint lip gloss and two shimmer. This is the item inside of this box. So I have two lip gloss, different shades. Okay, what is it? Confetti Crush and Sugar Crystal, and it has that glitter. I think this glitter here is more visible than this one. Okay, the glitter in this one is softer, and this one is more visible, and we're gonna swatch them later. And this is the shimmer that I have inside of this box. Mauve pink and nude. Mauve pink and nude. Okay, so this one I'm gonna swatch for you guys later, but let's go for this one first. They looks really tempting because I don't know, it's a sprinkle and kind of confetti that you can eat. This smells good. And that's it. Now, that is a product from NYX Cosmetics. All of the swatches is here. Okay, you can see that. And next one, I have this. Okay, this is from Garnier. Skin Natural Micellar Cleansing Water. Okay, so they are available in 3 shades. No, it's not 3 shades. It's in 3 types, but according to the according to this color, they have 3 colors here. But I don't know what is the difference of this. Okay, so let's read. The first one is micellar cleansing water, even for sensitive skin. Okay, this one. This is for sensitive skin. And then the next one here is for all skin types, okay, and this one is for oily and acne prone skin. Okay, I got them. So each and every one of them has different usage. Okay, so you can pick according to your skin types, and I guess. And that's for our unboxing video today. I'm really thankful for L'Oreal Malaysia and NYX as well for sending me all of these lovely items, and I am honored to be one of the top 30 for the NYX Face Awards Malaysia 2019, and I can't wait to show you guys on what I had to offer for the next task, for the next challenge. Keep on supporting me, and do not forget to vote for the next task, and as well as don't forget to subscribe for my channel. Okay, so that's all, and thank you.